Right now, what's going on in the metaverse is, land is pretty cheap. What happens is if something that everybody don't know about comes out and everybody don't know about it, it's like this NFT, you know what I mean? You want to be the first to jump on it before it gets too late, and later on you wish that you would have had got it, right? So the same thing with the metaverse. Land is pretty cheap right now, and if you buy it with the proper assets, it's only going to go up, you know what I mean? So I bought land for 7 Ethereum, and in a few weeks it jumped from 7 Ethereum to 52 Ethereum in like 2 weeks. So I was just telling y'all about that. So I was just giving y'all some game about that. So that we know like the secrets and stuff. So clearly, everything that we're doing with Trillionaire Thugs, is going to all lead to the metaverse, correct? So we're 2-3 years ahead. Just know that.
I heard you guys were talking about buying land in the metaverse, and I was just wondering where you would do that.
So the Trillionaire Thugs come out with our own site to be able to buy land. Right now, you can buy land in Sandbox. Buy land in the metaverse, man. You can buy the land out of Sandbox, and you can look for land in Sandbox, and you can buy the land on OpenSea. But make sure you buy premium land. When you buy premium land, it's better. You feel me? It's expensive, but it's better. And when you do that, you also want to put assets on your land. Treat it just like if you go buy regular land in the world. You buy some land in the world. You want to put stuff on there to make it, residual income. And that's how you're going to be able to build. So that's why your shit will turn from 8 Ethereum to 12 Ethereum, 16 Ethereum. Free game though, man. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all sign up for my OnlyFans. You know what I mean? And I'm going to drop all